Alright, sugar, it's your girl Risa coming to you guys today. I am getting ready to attempt to make curry chicken. I have not looked up the recipe. I'm just gonna wing it. So for those of you that are experts at making curry chicken, don't beat me up in the comments, please. I'm winging it with what I have, and we're gonna see how this come out. Okay, I do have some of the basics. I don't have any hot peppers, but I do have some of the basics, and I'm gonna improvise with a few things that I think I want to try. Okay, I can't tell you that it's gonna be right or wrong because I've never had curry chicken. So I've never had a desire to eat curry chicken. Don't know why, I just haven't. So my husband wants some curry chicken, and I'm getting ready to try my hand at some curry chicken. So my general spices, I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer. Let me unplug you. What I have, I actually found some thyme this time in Walmart, in another Walmart. So I have some fresh thyme. I have some Creole seasoning that I might use. I smell this Saison seasoning, and I might use a little bit of this. I know it's not normally in. I don't know if it's normally in it or not, but I just like the smell of it. And let me see if I can tell y'all what's in it. Salt, garlic, onion, spices, some long stuff you can't pronounce, paprika, annatto. So this is on the iffy one. We're gonna set that up there. I do have some onion powder. I have some 6-pepper seasoning blend. I have some rosemary and garlic. I have some Jamaican curry powder, and that has no MSG in it. And I have the same thing, but this is the hot, so there goes my hot. And then I have some meat seasoning, okay? And y'all excuse my nails. Sugarfoot peeled my jewel off of there, okay? Yeah. So I have some meat seasoning, and like I said, some Creole seasoning. I might add a little oxtail seasoning. I don't know. This thing smells so good. Ooh. And I'm gonna add a little salt. Okay. So first thing I did was I chopped up 6 cloves of garlic. Okay. I got some green onion. I got my thyme, and we getting ready to make this thing work. So I'm gonna move all of that out of the way. Got my measuring spoons just in case. And y'all hear some noise? My kids are having a jam session in their room, okay? They trying to entertain Sugarfoot. Alright, so y'all be creeped out about my jewelry. I totally understand. But I'm getting ready to cut this up. This is the thigh. And I break right through that bone. Take the skin off. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Leaving the bones in. So we got that. Let's do a breast. That bone, we're gonna come from the side and go ahead and cut that right off. There's that bone, and Here's, I'm gonna leave that on. We just took that other part off. Drumstick, I'm gonna leave the drumsticks whole. Let's do another thigh. Go up underneath the bone this time and crack. There we go. See, much easier. You have to find your way in the kitchen. And just slice that right on off of there. I'm a little tired, you guys. Mia decided she wanted to change her room around today. She's been asking me for a minute now, but I hadn't planned to do it today. She asked. I looked around, homegirl had done took the mattresses off the bed and everything by herself, you guys. And I did not want my baby to hurt herself. And I knew the dresser and the chest of drawer was going to be too heavy for her to move. I don't know how she moved that heavy behind mattress and box spring. I really don't. I really don't. I don't know how she did it, y'all. Nobody helped her. Well, I know how she did it. Her strength from up above. There's another breast. Let's do, I got plenty of drumsticks in here. So there's a drumstick. Let's see, how many breasts do I have? Here's a wing. We're gonna cut the wing in 2 pieces. Okay, not gonna be able to take the skin off of that. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna struggle to do that. Cut that in 2 pieces. And then I have 1, 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, and 2 wings left. So, what y'all think I ought to do? Should I do it all? I'm gonna cut these breasts some more. Right. Make them a little smaller. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Y'all, where's my manners? Hey, sugar. Welcome to all my new subscribers, new watchers, old watchers, boo babies, stinker butts, cuddle bugs, honey buns, baby boos. For all my diabetics out there that's allergic to the sugar. Hey, stinkers. Hey, blessings. So, I think that's enough. What y'all think? Because I can do something else with the rest of that chicken. Yeah, I think I'm going to hold on. We're going to move this out your way. Okay. Wash my hands. So, I had a different pot. I had a different pot for my curry chicken, which is my husband's favorite pot. This is my grandma pot. But let me rinse it out some more. I don't know if I'm going to use this big pot, because I really don't have to, since I'm not doing all the chicken. So, I might work with this. How about that? Even though that one swings, we're going to turn it on. Somebody have a fit. Okay. So, now I'm going to take my chicken pieces that I have right here. And I'm going to remove those, and they're going in file 13. File 13 is the trash. Rinse my hands again. And in just a minute, I'll be able to clean this surface up. So, let me get a bowl so I can go ahead and season my chicken. this over in here. I'm gonna move these. Put them in the bleach water. Rub my hands. So while my pan is heating up, I'll wipe this down just a little bit. So that pan is heating up. I'm gonna put some, usually I will put some vegetable oil, but I got some bacon grease. We getting ready to mix with a little vegetable oil. A couple of tablespoons bacon grease. Okay. Move y'all a little closer, maybe y'all can see. Got my bacon grease in there. And my vegetable oil, I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because I had it on high. So let's go ahead and add my seasonings. Okay, I'm gonna add, starting with the meat seasoning. That's a teaspoon. Here's my tablespoon. Add a tablespoon of this. Hot Jamaican curry. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of that. Okay. Regular Jamaican curry. I'm gonna add a heaping teaspoon of that. Now somebody might be cringing, you're adding too much. Well, we soon to find out. Onion powder. I'm gonna use my favorite. I only have a little left. I don't know why I didn't go to Sam's and get it, but I am. It's been raining. We've been having storms here today, all week pretty much, and it just was not that important to go out there in that storm like that. And I'm on the 6 pepper seasoning. Now this has salt, chili pepper, other spices including black and white pepper, dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onion, red pepper, red and green bell pepper, citric acid, and spice extractives is what it says. So we're going to work with this. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of this. Okay. The rosemary and garlic. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of this. Okay. I think that's all I'm going to add at the moment, besides a little bit of salt. And salt is going to be 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Mama, I got a sippy cup.
Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my tongs. We're going to mix this all together. Let's see how highly coated this gets. might need to add a little more seasoning because I want it completely coated. I mean completely coated. Now, at this point, I'm going to add a few green onions. And this was, how much was this? An eighth of a cup of green onions. I'm going to add half my garlic. Come on. Come on now. And I'm going to add a little bit of oxtail seasoning. And I'm going to take a tablespoon of that. And this oxtail seasoning has salt, garlic, onion, basil, pepper, allspice, cinnamon, thyme, and citric acid. Phosphate, ginger, marjoram, and oregano. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Come on now. Yeah. So we got that now. For my thyme, even though some of these already have thyme in it, I want to add a little fresh thyme. So we're going to take a few sprigs of thyme. Now, I'm going to take some of the leaves off. I'm not going to throw this in here. Okay? We're going to go the opposite direction. I got about 4 sprigs. Okay? And I'm just going to go the opposite direction. But, ooh. Ooh, that's strong. God. Hey. Baby. Got to be more careful. Woo-hoo. Yes. Okay. So we got all of that. That's what it looks like, everybody. Let's turn this heat up a little bit. We're going to back y'all up. So while I'm waiting on that, let's close a few of these things up. Now, because my husband is a hot belly, I might end up adding some extra spice. Who knows? Excuse me. That got me then, y'all. Yeah, it did.
No, what's it in?
I don't know yet, boo. I'm gonna fix y'all something. Don't you touch that. Move. Standing over my food like that.
That's yours?
I'm making Daddy some curry chicken. You gonna try it?
Curry chicken.
What you want to eat?
I don't know, something good.
Something good? What do you
Do we
call
have
good?
sausages?
I don't know. Look in the refrigerator. I think we do.
Yep.
Why, you want sausage, tomatoes, and rice?
Mama. Yep. Mama.
Yes, son.
Mama. I haven't had that in like a month.
Well, you got to tell me to go ahead and start because I need to put my chicken in my pan.
What he say?
He say his name is Chef Corey. No, you're going to be the director. You supposed to direct, son. I can't let you mess with grease. I cannot let you mess with grease now.
Mom, do we have potatoes?
Come on out the kitchen. Let me finish what I'm doing.
Okay.
They working my nerves real quick. Yeah.
You said what did I want to
Yeah, but you take it too long. You're going from one thing to the next. Let me finish recording, and then we'll talk, okay?
Okay. Action.
Thank you. All right, you guys. Let's see. We're going to go to put this chicken in here. And I'm not trying to fry this, so it's okay if I overcrowd it because we want this to all just come together. And I'm not going to overcrowd it too much, but I'm getting ready to pour all of this in here. just gonna leave that and let it work. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. They're gonna stay. We're gonna see. So let's clean up a little bit. These that I used. Do anybody else have a thing with, like, if you have a spoon that has seasoning on it, throwing it in your dishwater? That gets to me. I don't like, when you don't put food in the sink. You know what I mean? In the dishwater. You just messed up my fresh, clean water that I want to sanitize my dishes with by putting food in it. I mean, who wants to wash with food? You can't wash your plates with food. You can't clean a plate by putting food on top of food. No. So my bowl I just had, I put it in the sink with a little bit of bleach and dish detergent. Yeah, and that's gonna work. That's what's gonna catch all of the other stuff. So while that's working, it's working. Yeah, hey, it's working. Let me get my rice ready. I gotta get rid of the rice cooker. We don't beat this thing the heck up. Look at you. I see you, Sugie. Yeah, I think she just stank.
Oh.
Did you say oh?
Oh.
Exactly 2 cups of rice was in this bad boy. Yeah. Okay.
Can we order some pizza for $5?
No. I tell you one thing, you got pot pies in there you can eat. You got a whole lot you can eat if you're not going to be satisfied with what I cook on the skillet. I'm not giving you curry. I know that. So you just chill out. You on the dig? You got me? Okay. I'm coming, y'all. I'm going to be into my rice cooker. So, let's stir this up a little bit. I'm going to add the rest of my garlic and my green onion. Now, I kind of want to add some tomatoes to it, but I don't know if you're actually supposed to do that. Turn these pieces over. Bring y'all a little closer. Maybe y'all can see what's going on. So yeah. It smells good. shoes?
No.
You like my little booties? I'll just buy you some. Why you didn't tell me you like booties?
Oh. Okay, cool.
Y'all, she want my little booties. My little booties. My little house booties is what she wants. Y'all don't understand. I've been had these things for so many years, and now all of a sudden she want them. Okay, so let's figure out dinner. Got my rice on. I got this going. Need to find my lid. We're gonna cover homeboy up. And when I figure out the other part of my dinner, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so at this point, I decided to add a 1/4 cup of chunky salsa. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water. And I'm gonna stir that up. It started to get nice and thick.
I'm not allowed to eat curry.
Why you not?
I thought you said you're not gonna let me eat curry.
No, you act like you didn't want it. So it's getting nice and thick.
I'm gonna eat curry chicken with
Now they all want curry chicken. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And we're gonna put a lid on it, and I'm gonna turn it down, and I'm gonna let it cook for about another 15 minutes, and it should be done. All right, you guys, I'll show y'all the finished product when he get ready to eat. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, you guys, this is my finished curry. All of the chicken is done. I ended up adding more chicken because everybody in the house said they wanted some. So I'm getting ready to fix my husband's plate.
It looks absolutely delicious.
What piece you want? You want a breast?
No matter.
Okay. Get you some sauce.
That's good.
And there we have it. My curry chicken.
Now that's how you do curry. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
What you say?
Bye, sugar.
I'm getting ready to go in, y'all. Let me see how this tastes. Curry chicken and rice.
And he likes it piping hot.
That's it.
That's it, baby.
Baby, you got to hurry and finish that cookbook. Yeah, this is all, hey, wow. Good job, baby.
Thank you.